My name is Resa de Zwart. I'm the operational director of Merlin. We have Merlin, we have LinkSafe, Cash Tester, Segu Systems and Reac. It's a whole mouthful, but together we provide all types of payment solutions built to fit the bill and specific needs. So we always try to work together with them in a project and create custom-built solutions for them. There are 4 big projects we've collaborated together with Payplaza. The big project that we're talking about at the moment is from Geldmaat. We created 2 devices for all the biggest banks in Holland. We're rolling out with approximately 750 machines. The first being a coin deposit machine, where through the use of Payplaza we do a card PIN validation so that the banks can check if someone is allowed to either deposit on their own personal bank account or through one of the charities. And for the coin roll dispenser device, consumers can purchase coin rolls. Mostly that's being done by businesses, but the transaction is being handled by Payplaza. Especially due to the partnership with combining the solutions that we have together with Payplaza is can provide really increased our opportunity to get more revenue because we can expand our solutions to our customers. Payplaza is really flexible in trying to come up with a solution and the ability to think alongside a customer and see where their specific needs are. But with the combination of Payplaza, we can combine cash and cashless, which I believe is really where the golden egg is for the future.